Hey guys, so today we are on East Beach in Port Alfred, and we're gonna do some dune boarding, some hiking. We're with Nature Traveler Adventure Tours, and he's basically showing us around what there is to do here, what he offers. A lot of 420 adventure stuff like surfing, canoeing, sandboarding, safari.
A lot of fun stuff to do. You know, beautiful place. I mean, it's the middle of winter. It's so sunny outside, standing right on the beach.
We're not wearing jackets or anything.
Yeah.
Yes, everything is so beautiful here as well. So we're gonna go do some dune boarding now and have a bit of fun.
Without rest or pause while those frumious jaws were savagely snapping around, he skipped and he hopped and he floundered and flopped till fainting, he fell to the ground. Led on by that fear-stricken yell. He was black in the face and they scarcely could trace the least likeness to what he had been. So great was his fright that his waistcoat turned white. A wonderful thing to his utter inanity. Prove his insanity.
Hey guys, so we just finished up the day of really awesome activities with Archie from Nature Traveler.
Go check him out on Instagram, go check him out on Facebook, go give him a follow, go give it a like. And oh man, awesome lad, great places, beautiful spaces. We did some sandboarding, we went on a bit of a hike, shot some guys kayaking and all of that. It was just such an awesome day.
Yeah, we also got to see some surfing at the end of the day and met some of the surfers and had a good dab or two with them. It was a good time. Yeah, and we're definitely going to come back on our way back to come check out some more awesome adventure stuff and maybe some safari stuff. So yeah, you should definitely check it out, Nature Traveler on Facebook, and also like and subscribe our channel for more, and check out our Facebook page. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching.
See you guys soon for more.